How to track an order on Walmart application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can track an order on Walmart application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Walmart application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Navigate to the bottom right, tap on the account icon. That's gonna take you to your account page. Onto your account page, head over to purchase history, tap on it. Under your purchase history, you will find all of your orders. So scroll to find your orders that you want to track. Tap on it, then tap on the track shipment or track order to view the real-time updates such as shipment status and delivery date. So in that way, you can order or you can track an order in Walmart application. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.